for Giveon Lost Me. It's a 3-chord song in the same order, one strumming pattern. Great. So let's start. No need for any capo on this one. And we have 3 chords, A sharp major 7, and then goes to D minor and then to C. So that's what it's all about. So A sharp major 7. You need a bar here on the first fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings if you count from bottom and up. And the rest will be 3rd on D string, 2nd on G, and 3rd on B. Yeah, beautiful. A little jazzy like that. So that's the A sharp. Then we move to the D minor. That is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And then we finally have the C chord, and that is played like that. 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so that's the chords, and that is also the chord progression through this entire song here. So we will look at the strumming pattern, and this is all about the timing here. It's just downs and ups, but we need to have the right timing for this one. So it will be played like this, starting with A sharp major 7, and one strum around will be like this. Okay, so it's down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so when we look at this strumming pattern, we have to divide it into 2 different parts. We will play one full strumming for the A sharp chord, and then we will play part 1 for D minor and part 2 for C. So that's the reason for us to divide this strumming. So the full strumming pattern here will be down, up, down, up, down, up. So you have breaks or pauses between downs and ups in the beginning, the first 2 downs and ups, and then you end with a fast down up, okay? So it's down, up, down, up, down, up. Again, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, so the first part will be the first down up. So that is the first part. And the second part will be the rest. So that means down, up, down, up. Okay, so now when we have that, you will play one full for A sharp chord. So down, up, down, up, down, up. And then you change to the D minor and play the part 1. That means only the first down up. And then you immediately change to C and play the part 2, the rest, which means the down, up, down, up. Okay, so that is basically the song. I'm gonna play it slow for you. So starting with the A sharp will be like this. Then D minor, and then and so on. You could also add a clap after the down up, which is just in the end of the part 1. So if you look at the A sharp chord here, down, down, up, clap. You could add this one, or you can just mute it after the up. So it's up to you. I showed you in the intro of this tutorial here with the claps, so like that. And then you add the second and final clap after the next down up. So right after the up second round, you add a second and final clap for this strumming pattern. So it will be like this. Okay. So with the chord progression here, it will sound like this, a little bit slower. The second round I just played was just with the muting, and that is basically what's going on in this song. We have this ending here, and it's basically just some vocals in the end, no matter how good you think somebody is and so on, and the lyrics. You have kind of a chord in the background there. If you want to play something there, I will play the bass melody, and it goes like this, very slowly. And I even played it faster than it is in the actual song. So I can give it that a little bit quick now. You will start here on the 3rd fret E string. The next note will be open A. Then back to 3rd E. Then 1st E. Open E. And finally 3rd A. So that's kind of extra material here in the end. Otherwise, 3 chord and 1 strumming pattern, and that's it for Giveon's Lost Me. So good luck with this one, guys. Enjoy, play tune.